It is observed by a psychologist that the activity in which an individual wastes more time than anything else is in having regrets. People energies are wasted in recalling and repenting over bitter memories of the past and in regretting the fact that they acted in one way, not in another. The businessman thinks if we had invested in project B instead of project A, I wouldn't have to bear such loss. The young girl regrets if I had married X instead of Y, I would be a much happier person today. The elderly couple think if we had started paying up installments on a house instead of just renting one, we would now be the owner of a house, and so on. To entertain such thoughts is a sheer waste of time and energy. The moment we have such thoughts, we should consider whether any remedy is possible at this stage, like if something constructive still can be done. If the answer to this question is no, and the things are beyond repair, then one should simply dismiss these distressing ideas from mind and should turn to new avenues of thought. If you find some possibilities to repair the wrong that you have done, then you should say, I will do that better next time. Or I will consider things in a greater depth before taking any decision in future. This is more positive approach to adopt. This approach makes us emotionally stable and mentally healthy. It makes us perform better if some opportunities come across again and helps us to think in a better way. This is the way we can save our energy and time instead of wasting in self pity. We all have bitter memories of past and we cannot get rid of them. But yes, bitter memories can be channeled by positive thinking into useful experience and into precious lessons for life. With these bitter experiences, you can avoid repetition of mistakes in future. So instead of having regrets, it is better to get lessons from them to improve your life in future. And if something is beyond repair, if there's something you cannot do, then just let it go